up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. I'm still in the basement. Looks like it's gonna be about 2 weeks until I can get back into my studio because we got some home repairs going on. So what do? Delivery. Perfect timing. It's the mermaid. I have been waiting for this doll for a while. This year, Mattel came out with some absolutely gorgeous mermaids that have been kind of a challenge for me to get. I bought 3 of the 4. We showed one in this video and the other in this one. Let's go ahead and get this doll out of the box. I paid $10.99 on Amazon. Right out of the box, she does have a little bit of box hair with a few dents from the rubber bands. Her hair is like a bubblegum pink with Barbie pink highlights on top. She has a center part, comes wearing a blue starfish headband, has brown eyebrows, blue eyes, a pink lip color. Actually, her eyes are kind of turquoise. She has orange and pink eyeshadow, and she is a little pixelated and shiny, which for me has kind of become a deal breaker. But on this doll, it's not too bad, and she's kind of adorable. So yeah, I'm breaking my rule. Since she is a mermaid, she comes with a sculpted and painted top, an orange tail with an orange and pink fin. She can move at the head, the shoulder, and at the hip. But this little mermaid wants to know what it's like to be a part of our world. So let's give her some legs. I wonder if this Made to Move Barbie is a match. Let's take her out of the box. It's pretty close, but not perfect. But let's go ahead and give it a try, because sometimes it does look a little different when the doll's head is actually on the body. Prepare the hot water. Place the doll in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head softens and it can be easily, well, kind of easily, removed. Place it on the new body, and the match looks pretty good. Let's give her a rinse in a little hot water, comb out her hair, then find her something to wear. Over the holidays, I picked up this Barbie fashion pack at Ross. It says there are 40 plus looks that we can create by mixing, matching, and layering the clothing items. At the time I bought it, it was $19.99. Let's open it up and take a look. Oh, it comes with a doll and a booklet with fashion activities. That's a cute outfit. The included doll has blonde hair, blue eyes, pink lipstick, and she is not pixelated. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She comes wearing a striped dress, a black belt, which is awesome. I would love it if we got more belts. We have black shoes, and the dress has a different print on the other side. So I guess that's one way to double your wardrobe. Wear this side on Monday, then flip it around, and you got a new look for Tuesday, as long as you don't turn to the side. This idea is definitely a space saver, but personally, I would have liked it if the clothes could be flipped inside out. That way we'd have the same pattern on both sides, and then we could flip it to get the other look. Before we get too judgy, let's take a look at the other items in this pack. We have a pair of sunglasses where we can see the doll's eyes through the lenses, a yellow, white, and navy blue shirt, a pink skirt with orange printed belts, and a pair of orange shoes. We can flip the skirt around, change into some blue sneakers, add some headphones to create another look. Okay, so a switch around skirt is actually pretty convenient, but the shirt, not as much. There's no Velcro, and it takes a minute to get the hands through the sleeves. We have a white shirt with a pink graphic on the front. Let's turn the skirt around to create another look. Here's a sporty look. We have a silver baseball cap, an orange tank top with blue lettering that says "Future is Bright," an orange backpack, and yellow shorts. On the other side of the top, we have a different print. I paired it with a yellow purse for another look. There's a pair of pink shoes where the bottom is out. This is definitely a new addition to my shoe collection. Here's a blue, pink, and white dress. It's strapless and has a tulle ruffle sewn to the bottom. The pattern does go all the way around. Let's see what it looks like when we add this skirt. Oh, we can make it longer at the bottom. There's a pink tube top and an orange skirt with a ribbon. Both of these look the same all the way around. But if we take the skirt and tie the ribbon behind the doll's neck, we get a halter dress. This might be my favorite look so far. We can add the included black leggings, switch to the pink tube top, add the tulle skirt and the included pink necklace. Let's put on the yellow heels, add a long yellow skirt over the tights, and the yellow purse for like a sheer candy vibe. I feel like this could totally be runway. And the last few accessories are a silver bag, silver necklace, and a headband. This collection is kind of like getting 2 Barbie $10 fashion packs with a couple extra accessories. So priced at $19.99, it's not too bad. But if you can get it on sale, even better. I grabbed that off of my things I haven't got to yet table. I told you, I have a little bit of a backlog. Well, some of them are just bodies waiting for a head swap. But this doll has been patiently waiting for a little attention. This doll is from Barbie and Stacie to the rescue. I bought it at Target for $10.99. I haven't been keeping up with the shows or the movies, but I thought the little pug was kinda cute. And I think the doll has a very sweet face, although she is a little shiny and pixelated. She comes wearing a purple top. It looks like 2 layers, but it's actually 1, with printed details, and it velcros in the back. She wears blue shorts with an elastic waistband and silver colored sneakers. She has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. And you know I like a little articulation. So I like to put my Stacie dolls on creatable world bodies. Since their necks are different sizes, it is going to widen the bottom of her jaw a little. But I can live with that, because we get articulation. The face does look a little different, but I think she's still cute. We found a pretty good color match, and she could still fit her original outfit. She can hold the dog, so overall, not too bad. I grabbed this Lori doll off the table. This is a 6-inch doll. I got it from Target a while ago. I think you can still find them online. I bought it because I wanted to take her outfit. This doll is pretty similar to an American Girl mini, with a soft torso and inset eyes. She came with a soft knit sweater. It looks like it might be crop on a Barbie if it fits. We get a skirt that opens with Velcro in the back, a pair of undies. It does have raw edges at the top and bottom, and we get a small purse with a chain. It can open, so that's pretty cool. The undies fit a classic Barbie, but you might want to reinforce the stitches on the side. The skirt is short, but it easily fits. I paired the sweater with a tube top, and I think we can get away with it, giving us a very pink outfit. I should probably iron the skirt. Oh yeah, much better. Let's grab some accessories from Mini Brands Fashion. I'm thinking a pair of shoes and maybe a different purse, and hopefully it matches pink. I know I said I wasn't buying anymore unless they went on sale, but I already had this one from a sale. So we might as well open it up to see what it is. It's blue. Well, it does throw off our all pink vibe, but it kind of brings out the color in her eyes. And her accessories are a pair of sneakers, which I don't mind, a necklace, and lipstick that looks pretty close to her shade. Let's let Series 2 Foodie Mini Brands tell us what her favorite food is. Will this mermaid get a frozen moment mini? Let's see. Her first meal of the day is a strawberry shake, which seems on brand with the whole pink vibe. Then she has the triple treat box from Pizza Hut, then stops by an ATM for a little cash, and heads over to get some lemonade and more pizza. And for dessert, she has a drink from Subway. Her favorite books are Matilda, which totally matches her look. It's kinda pink and blue. She is also reading Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Goosebumps, Deep Trouble, and Pride and Prejudice and Zombies. And that is our newest addition to the shelf. Thank you for joining us while we checked out another Barbie mermaid. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!